So I just bought a huge lot of Christmas from a online auction that I just went and picked up. I already went through and emptied two boxes that are consolidated into other boxes. I have a few things in here, and then this is going to Goodwill, so I have a system here to go sort through everything. But I wanted to bring you along with me as I went through this box. This was primarily the box that made me want to buy this lot. I could see the age of the Santaland box here. So this, I was going through it and I was so pleased I wanted to share it with you. So it's a nice box of ornaments. This was a beautiful Lessel Wren's, pear-shaped. That's beautiful and very well kept. And then look at these ornaments. Can you believe it? Now these were not shown in the box, just the top of the box was pictured. These are absolutely stunning. They have scenes on the side. You see that? It's hard to see. Little decal scenes on the side, but these indent ones are just gorgeous. So let's see what else we can find. Lots of tissue paper. I have to make sure. Oh, there's an ornament in that tissue paper. Another beautiful teardrop. There's none in that tissue paper. Look at these. Oh, absolutely beautiful. That's a nice mix of, let's see what's under here. We got some beautiful snow cap ornaments. Looks like some hand painted. Oh, look at that with a horse. We've got some Bradford filigree. Wow, these are really nice. What else is at the bottom of the box? You just never know what you're going to get at these auctions when they only take a picture of the top of the box. These are glitter. These look like they're from Poland. Pretty. Let's see, I think that's the bottom. Oh no, there's another whole box underneath. Let's see. Those are just silver and golds. We've got a ton of, I guess, Hallmark ornament, these glass ball ornaments. Those aren't that great. But you never know when you get a rare one. See, there's Christmas 1979. Sometimes those can sell well, but most often your grandchild's first Christmas. So this looks interesting. More Bradford filigree. Sorry about my camera here. I'm trying to hold everything. Look at that sweet little. There's an old, oh, look at that. These are textured. It looks like a pear. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. So sorry about my camera, guys, but wow. So that's a sugared pear. Really nice, well cared for old ornament. I love how it's all in tissue and styrofoam right next to the unbreakable Bradford. I'm always fascinated at how people store things. Got some boxes here. It feels heavy. Oh wow, nice lot of like gold ornaments. Let's see what this one is. This one has a lot of stuffing in here. It's a spun glass. Oh, look at that. It's a swan, a spun glass swan. Very cool. Put that back in there. There's some big pink ornament balls. These look like they probably are shiny bright. It's down here. Another whole box down there. A Hallmark little bird. Put this up here so it stays. Here's another Hallmark. Wow. 2 more boxes down there. I'm gonna put you on pause and come back. So as I was getting down to the bottom here to this beautiful box of gold, I found this beautiful skier. That's probably a $20 ornament. Really pretty, really good quality. And then this, I love the bread box. The bread bags are always a great place to store your very expensive, shiny, bright glitter ornaments. These are probably the best ornaments. The ones in the boxes are just plain gold, where these are the glittered ones. I also found this satin sheen box that has kind of cool fiber ornaments, I would call them. Very cool. And these were the ones that were in the Freihoffer's bag. Aren't they gorgeous? Really pretty. And a lot more. This one is a sterling silver frame, so that's got to be worth a little bit of money. Let's mark sterling right on the back. And then this really darling old Hallmark tree trimmer. And then more of those teardrops just kind of crammed down at the bottom. But let's see what's under this box. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, wow. These are mica, UFO, lantern, however you want to call it. They are in perfect condition. Wow. Now, I spend a lot of time going through and making perfect boxes out of ornaments that I find. And it's so rare to find a perfect box. It's upside down. I'm going to have to take the inside out and turn it around. But the cellophane's good. The box is a little crunched up, but that's okay. Oh, wow, those are stunning. Wow, that was worth it. I'm glad I opened it with you guys watching, because that was worth it. And there's still so many more ornaments at the bottom. So I will have to go through this and pack them right so nothing gets broken. But can you believe that? So I bought about, oh, I don't know. There's another whole box I got to go through. There's probably 8 boxes. Some nice vintage stuff in that. So I have a lot to go through.